You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this faraway planet. How do you say it? Well, there are two slightly different pronunciations for it. In British English, Uranus, U-Ray-Nus. You do want to stress on that second ray syllable. Now in American English it is, unfortunately, generally pronounced as Uranus, as in your anus, Uranus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.